Alright guys, so I'm going to jump and do some things with the categorical variables. One of the things that I really like about the RMD language here is that I can do little headers. So I've done a double octothorpe, hashtag, pound, whatever you guys call it. And now make a new header. It does have to have a space after it before the words, but categorical variables will be a header. Up here, creating project code 0 will be a header. So, maybe I'd want to write something about my categorical variables. I will say, guys, my data set does not have very good categorical variables. This might not be the greatest. It doesn't really have any categorical variables, I should actually say. This won't be the greatest presentation, but so one of the things I could do here is maybe look at the flyers, the team. So let's do a table. And I'm going to do a table that is just over the teams, which I think is called X. So let's see what that looks like. Boom. So that just gives me the frequency count of each of those. Not terribly exciting. I think in my other project I showed how to do relative frequency too. You're welcome to do that. Maybe I'll show you guys searching for that too. Relative frequency in R on a qualitative variable. So it looks like I can do something like divide by the number of rows, and that will give me the relative frequency. That might be a nice way to do it here. So if I divide it by n row of data $x, what does that look like? Doesn't like that, does it? Binary to binary. Oops. Binary operator. Let's see what NREL gives me, by the way. Whenever I don't know what I'm doing. Null. And a dot m equals true. Think that'll make any difference? Nope. LEN, length, maybe? Hey, that did it. Let me go back. Let's do table. Let's do data of X, and let's divide by the length. Let's see what that does. Maybe, maybe. No, sorry. Alright, well, that didn't actually work, did it? I know what it is. This is what I need to do. And then I need to divide by the X. Hey, I did it. Whew. I was about to delete this video. There's the relative frequencies. Again, this is pretty boring, all the same length. I don't know why I would do this, but I did it. I did it. I did it. So, there you go. Yeah, alright, cool. Again, frequency is probably just fine. You could also look at the thing that I generated. For my project, I did a nicer table there too. By the way, if we wanted a two-way table, we just give the R command, we give the table command to data sets. So data $x, and let's do data let's do games played. So games played is not quite a categorical variable. It was a numerical. Some teams played 2, 3, or 4 games. So yeah, we made a nice a little two-way table here at least. So in any case, you can do it that way. All right, let's call this good. And I covered 1 and 2 categorical variables. I'm not asking you to do much here. We'll come back to these a little bit, but all right. I'm gonna publish this.